BAOD Extrusion, built on strength, defined by dedication. Established in 2002, BAOD Extrusion is dedicated to the R&D and manufacturing of precision plastic extrusion machinery. With solid and steady growth over 20 years' experience, we have established as a respected, innovation-driven manufacturer in China's extrusion sector. We adhere to the principle of quality first, customer foremost, earning long-term trust through reliable machines and a practical approach to engineering. At BAOD Extrusion, we value dedication, integrity, collaboration, and mutual success. Every machine we produce reflects our commitment to doing things right. Customer satisfaction is the driving force behind our progress. This PA sunroof drainage pipe extrusion line features a proven, stable structure and is specially designed for efficient processing of nylon materials, suitable for automotive sunroof drainage systems. The production line with a metered feeding system to ensure consistent material supply. The main extruder delivers uniform plasticization, smooth operation, and easy maintenance. Equipped with online thickness gauge and diameter gauge, the system performs real-time monitoring of the pipe's dimensions. Automatic feedback and adjustment ensure high control accuracy and consistent product quality. The flame treatment unit activates the outer surface of the pipe while relieving residual stress generated during extrusion. This process not only improves the mechanical properties of nylon tubes, but also contributes to the enhancement of the apparent quality of the tubes. The haul-off unit is fully servo-driving to support stable and reliable operation. The integrated automatic cutting system ensures clean cuts and precise length control, maintaining consistent product appearance and dimensional accuracy. BAOD Extrusion, committed to solid equipment and steady partnerships. We look forward to working with you and growing together.